Welcome to AutoCraze, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. From the roar of superbikes to the silent surge of electric vehicles, we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most exciting rides in the automotive world. So if you're passionate about vehicles that break barriers and redefine roads, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, let's charge into the future with one of the most talked about electric SUVs of the year, the Tata Harrier EV 2025. The Indian SUV market has seen some massive transformations over the past few years. Tata Motors, a name that has become synonymous with strong design and safety, has now taken a bold leap forward into the world of electric mobility. The 2025 Tata Harrier EV isn't just another electric variant, it's a symbol of Tata's evolving future. And this time, they're aiming not just to meet expectations, but to electrify them. Let's start with its exterior presence. One glance at the Harrier EV 2025 and it becomes clear, this is not a mild facelift or just a conversion of the ICE version. It's been reimagined with purpose. The front end is futuristic yet commanding. Instead of a traditional grille, the Harrier EV features a sealed-off design with striking LED light elements that connect from side to side, giving it a bold and modern character. The sleek DRLs enhance the aggressive stance, while the bumper and air intakes are reshaped to optimize aerodynamics for better EV efficiency. The bold blue color offered on the EV variant really makes the SUV stand out, especially under showroom lights or when cruising through city streets. It's a color that says futuristic without shouting, and it complements the sharp character lines that run across the side profile. The side design remains muscular, and the EV version gets exclusive alloy wheel designs that not only look stunning but are aerodynamically optimized. There's also subtle EV badging on the fenders, distinguishing it from the regular Harrier. The wheel arches are beefy, the stance is upright, and the entire structure gives you that confident SUV feel that Harrier is known for. Coming around to the rear, the changes are just as dramatic. The 2025 Harrier EV sports a redesigned tailgate, with a full-width LED light bar connecting the tail lamps, a trend that has become synonymous with modern EV styling. The rear bumper also gets some tweaks for a cleaner, more premium look. There are no exhaust pipes, of course, and that helps the design look even more elegant and sophisticated. The rear spoiler is pronounced, and the integration of EV branding ensures it looks the part of a next-gen SUV. But the Harrier EV isn't just about styling. Beneath that aggressive exterior lies Tata's advanced Gen 2 EV architecture. This is a whole new platform that's built to be electric from the ground up, not just a converted ICE chassis. What that means is better efficiency, improved space management, and superior weight distribution. The powertrain is expected to deliver a punch, while official figures will vary based on variants and final trims. We're looking at a dual-motor setup with all-wheel drive capability. This marks a major step forward in performance, especially for those looking for a thrilling drive in an EV format. Instant torque delivery, a low center of gravity, and enhanced grip make the Harrier EV feel planted and powerful, whether you're on the highway or navigating city streets. As for range, Tata Motors is targeting over 500 kilometers on a single charge. That places it right up there with the best in the segment, ensuring long-distance travel without range anxiety. Fast charging capability is built in, allowing the battery to charge up quickly when you're on the move. With growing charging infrastructure across cities and highways, owning an electric vehicle like the Harrier EV is now more practical than ever before. Another area where Tata has stepped up is in technology. The 2025 Harrier EV is equipped with vehicle-to-load V2L and vehicle-to-vehicle V2V charging technology. That means you can power up other electronics, even other EVs, using your Harrier, a feature that's slowly becoming the benchmark for premium EVs worldwide. Safety, as always, remains a top priority. The Tata Harrier EV will likely carry forward its predecessor's 5-star safety legacy and enhance it further. With more robust structural components suited to the electric platform, advanced driver assistance systems like autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control are expected to be included, making it not just safer but also smarter on the road. Tata has also taken care to ensure that the Harrier EV looks different, drives different, and feels different. It's not just an EV in name, but in spirit. It signals the beginning of Tata's aggressive push into electric SUVs that offer no compromise on style, performance, or presence. Now let's talk a little about the competition. The Harrier EV is stepping into a growing yet competitive space. It will go head-to-head with upcoming EV offerings from Mahindra, Honda, and even some global brands entering the Indian EV market. But with Tata's reputation for safety, bold design, and now EV innovation, the Harrier EV has a strong chance to lead the segment. In terms of pricing, Tata is expected to keep the Harrier EV within reach of serious SUV buyers, possibly around the 30 to 35 lakh bracket. While it won't be cheap, it'll be positioned as a premium EV that gives you the size, road presence, and tech of a much more expensive international rival, all in a made-for-India package. One of the most appealing aspects of the Tata Harrier EV 2025 is its practicality. Unlike many EVs that focus too much on futuristic gimmicks, the Harrier EV blends usability with bold design. You still get the ground clearance you need for Indian roads, the presence that makes it stand tall in traffic, and now zero tailpipe emissions that make it future-ready. So, who is the Tata Harrier EV 2025 really for? It's for the modern Indian who wants to go electric without compromising on space, design, or SUV muscle. It's for the early adopters who want something fresh and powerful, not just something green. And it's for every driver who wants to be part of India's electric revolution, but in style. As the EV market matures, vehicles like the Harrier EV will define what Indian automotive excellence looks like. And if Tata can continue delivering on range, power, and price, this SUV will likely become a game-changer. So there you have it, a closer look at the bold, electric future of Tata Motors. The Harrier EV 2025 isn't just a statement, it's a vision, realized. It's an SUV that respects the brand's DNA but leaps forward into a cleaner, smarter, and more thrilling tomorrow. Thanks for watching AutoCraze. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Tata Harrier EV 2025, make sure to give us a like and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider buying an electric Harrier, or are you still waiting for something more? We want to hear from you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we've got a lineup of some of the most exciting upcoming vehicles coming your way. Until next time, keep your drive alive and your passion electric. This is AutoCraze, signing off. Best YouTube video title, Tata Harrier EV 2025 bold, electric, and ready for the future. Best YouTube video tags, Tata Harrier EV 2025, Tata Harrier electric, Tata EV SUV, Harrier EV review, Harrier EV specs, Tata electric SUV 2025, Harrier EV launch, electric Harrier price, Tata Harrier 2025, Tata Motors electric, Indian EV SUV, Tata Harrier Blue, Harrier EV, Walkaround, Tata Harrier EV, top speed, Harrier EV features. AutoCraze big YouTube description with hashtags. Explore the electrifying future with the Tata Harrier EV 2025, India's boldest electric SUV from Tata Motors. In this detailed video, we break down everything you need to know about this all-new EV, from its stunning exterior design and EV-specific platform to performance, range, and features that set it apart. No interior distractions, just pure EV power and road presence. The Harrier EV is more than just a car. It's a movement toward a cleaner, more powerful future. Over 500 kilometers range, dual motor, a WD performance safety, and EV tech innovation. Designed for India, ready for the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoCraze for more electric and performance vehicle insights. Hashtag Tata Harrier EV 2025. Hashtag Harrier EV, hashtag Tata Motors, hashtag electric SUV, hashtag AutoCraze, hashtag electric future, hashtag Indian cars. Hashtag Harrier EVU, hashtag EV India, hashtag Tata Harrier Electric.